everyone. Welcome to the detailed session on threats in information security, part of the cryptography and network security course of BCA under Gujarat Technological University. So, in this video, we will explore various cyber threats, understand how they work and their impact on data security. So, let's first discuss about the malware. So, malware refers to malicious software created to invade, damage, or disrupt computer systems. Viruses attach themselves to legitimate programs and spread when those programs run, while worms can replicate automatically across the network. There is also a Trojan that appears useful but hide harmful activities. There is a ransomware that encrypts data and demands for the payment. So basically, the malware threatens all three principles of security, that is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Now, let's discuss about the social engineering. So, basically, social engineering is a psychological attack that tricks user into giving away private information, and these attacks take advantage of trust, fear, urgency, or curiosity. For example, it includes fake IT support calls, fraud messages, or some impersonate. So, since the humans are the weakest link, social engineering remains one of the most successful attacks methods. Now, let's discuss about the phishing. So, basically, phishing uses the fake email messages and websites to steal the sensitive data. The attacks pretends to be banks, uh, employers, or online platforms, and victims mostly enter passwords or financial details on fake pages, and this lead to unauthorized access, financial loss, or identity theft. Now let's discuss what is website spoofing. So basically website spoofing involves creating fake sites that looks like genuine ones. The attacker mostly manipulates the URLs, logos, and the layouts to trick users. And once user enters credentials, the encryption is captured by the attackers. And spoofing often works with phishing to maximize the damage. Now let's discuss about the denial of service attack. So basically DOS attack targets servers by overwhelming them with traffic. So lots of the fake requests are on the server in the DOS attack. And in DDoS attack, thousands of compromised devices attacks simultaneously, and these attack makes websites slow or unavailable. Mostly, online businesses and services suffer financial and reputational damage due to the downtime. Now let's discuss about the packet modification. So basically packet modification involves intercepting and altering data before sending it onward. Attackers may change financial transactions values, redirect communication, or inject the malicious content on the packet. This attack mostly compromise data integrity and the trustworthiness. Now let's discuss about the network sniffing. So basically network sniffing intercepts data packets as they move across the network. Attackers captures the unencrypted passwords, email content, and credit card numbers. Sniffing is very common and it occurs mostly in the Wi-Fi networks, and uh, Sniffing commonly occurs as in the Wi-Fi networks, making secure browsing practices very crucial. And it exposes the passwords, emails, and the banking data of the user. Now let's discuss about the password-based attacks. So basically, the password-based attacks aim to crack or steal the user passwords. uh, Mostly the brute force techniques is used in password based attacks, and brute force attacks try uh, every possible combination of the passwords, and dictionary attacks attempt common passwords. So credentials stuffing uses leaked password from the previous breaches, and strong unique passwords are critical too for protection. Now let's discuss about the IP spoofing. So basically IP spoofing uses a fake IP addresses to disguise the attacker's identity, and attackers impersonate trusted systems or bypass IP based access controls. Mostly spoofing enables DOS attacks and make tracing uh, the attackers difficult. So bypasses basic security, the security filters by the IP spoofing. Now let's discuss about the man in middle attack. So basically, MITM, that is man in middle attack, an attacker secretly intercepts communication between two parties, and they can eavesdrop or the modify data or redirect the session. This attacks often happens on insecure Wi-Fi networks, and encryption and secure protocols help in preventing the man in middle attacks. So understanding these threats helps to build a strong cyber security awareness. Always verify links. Try to avoid the public Wi-Fi or the for the sensitive task. Always use a strong password, enable multi-factor authentication, and stay updated with security best practices. Thank you for learning with us.